This is the corrections video for lesson 56, relative minors. Remember that relative means that they share DNA, they share a key signature. So we can actually start by just drawing our key signatures here for the majors that they've given us. All right, so G major, 1 sharp, F sharp, D major, 2 sharps, fat cats, A major, fat cats go, and E major, fat cats go down. Remember, we can find out how many sharps any of these has by going down a half a step from the letter name, and that will give us the last sharp. So G down a half step is F sharp, which gives us fat 1 sharp. D down a half step is C sharp, fat cats 2 sharps. A down a half step is G sharp, fat cats go. E down a half step is D sharp, fat cats go down. Now, the name of that relative minor is just the 6th note of the scale. So, G, A, B, C, D, E. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. And E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp. Okay, on the flat side, the way that we find out how many sharps or flats are in that key signature is the name of the key is the second to the last flat. Also, the last flat is also fa, is the 4th note of the scale. Okay, so F is the one that we just have to F-ing. Remember, it has 1 flat. B flat is going to be the second to the last flat, so we go big elephants. So B flat and then 1 farther tells us we have 2 flats, big elephants. E flat, big elephants, 1 more to and, big elephants and then A flat, big elephants and 1 more to donkeys, big elephants and donkeys. All right. And then again, we just go to the 6th scale degree. F, G, A, B flat, C, D. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G. E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. And A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F flat. Nope, F. Sorry, F. Okay, that's all that we have to do with those ones. Now, if you were looking at parallel minors, which are minors with the same name, you would see, for example, here, F major and F minor. The difference is 3 flats. Okay? And so you just, to get from the major to the same name minor, you add 3 flats. We'll talk about that more later. Okay, number 2, write the following using key signatures. So we want to start with E minor. We've already found out that E minor has 1 sharp. So we're going to put our sharp there, and then we're just going to write our notes. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. That's all you have to do because we already drew the key signature. Now for D minor, we already have that here. We see that it has 1 flat, so we're going to draw our 1 flat. And then we're going to start on D. We're in the bass clef. D, E, F, G, A, B flat because of the key signature, C, and D. That's it, all done. Okay, go ahead and take your picture and submit it to Canvas.